Hi, boys and girls. For science, what you're going to do is you're going to pull out this worksheet that went along with the lesson that you did on Wednesday. So there are two vocabulary words up at the top. There is humus and there is loam. Those are the two vocabulary words. Make sure to use your science book to help you. Don't just guess. Go back and use your science book. Make sure you're on chapter 5, lesson 2, so you can look these up. Question number 1 says plants grow well in blank soil. Is the word humus or is the word loam? Which soil do plants grow in? Plants grow well in. So if you don't know the answer, and you should be double checking, even if you do know the answer, go back and use your book, look for the highlighted word of humus, and look for the highlighted word of loam. And make sure that you go over and find out which one goes in blank number 1. Make sure to spell it correctly. Number 2 says blank is small pieces of dead plants and animals. Would that be humus or would that be loam? Again, make sure you use your book to find the answer. And you can always pause this video so you can go back in your book and look. And then Mrs. Collins you can unpause it so Mrs. Collins can go to the next question. Question number 3 says, circle the word that tells about loam. Does loam feels dry, has humus, or looks red? So circle the correct answer. If you don't know, and even if you do, go back and use your science book. It's always good to double check. Number 4 says, look at the picture of the rock and the little pebble. Circle the sentence that matches the picture. A, rocks can be different sizes. B, soil has tiny bits of rock. Or C, rocks can be different colors. So circle the correct answer. And remember, you can always pause this video so you can find the answer and then unpause it when you're ready to go to the next question. Question number 5 says, look at the picture. You see the sun and you see cactus and you see some mountains in the background. Will a garden grow well in this sandy soil? Tell how you know. Well, does sandy soil, does it hold water well? If you look back in your book, you'll find out sandy soil does not hold water well. So what you'll need to do is I'll write it up on the board and you can copy it. You are going to tell me that no, a garden would not grow well in sandy soil because sandy soil does not hold water well. So give me a second to get my marker here. All right, so this is our answer to number 5. No, a garden and remember, as you're writing this, you can always pause the video so you can take your time and write neat. So no, a garden would not grow well in sandy soil, period. I hope you have a capital letter. I hope you have a period after soil, but we're not done yet. Capital S, sandy soil doesn't, there's a contraction. Does anybody know what doesn't stands for? What 2 words make up the word doesn't? If you said does not, you are correct. Air 5. Good job. So sandy soil doesn't hold water well. Now, if Mrs. Collins wrote too fast, again, you can always pause the video so you can copy the words. Make sure you have a capital N and a period, capital S, and another period at the end. And that's your science for today.